Good morning, Standard 4. How are you, children? Hope all of you are well. Stay inside your house. And children, today I am going to start unit number 7, that is capacity, and worksheet number 2. In the previous section, I have told you how to convert the bigger unit into the smaller unit. So let's recapitulate. Bigger unit to smaller unit. So in this, what we have to do, children? I have told you that we have to do multiplication operation. So for example, let us recapitulate. 14 kilogram. Now how I will convert this 14 kilogram into smaller unit, that is gram. Now let us see the number of kilogram. The number of kilogram is multiplied by 1000 gram. Right? Now this, after multiplication, what you have to do? You have learned in the properties of multiplication when we are multiplying with 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So here 1000 is having 3 zeros. So we firstly write down to the right side of the product the number of zeros 1, 2 and 3. Then we will multiply this number 1 with number 14. 14 times of 1 is 14. So its answer is 14,000. Now change the unit, that is kilogram to the gram. So thus the bigger unit kilogram is changed into smaller unit by multiplying 1 by 1000 gram. Okay, remember that. Now today's session that I am going to tell you that to convert the smaller unit. How to convert the smaller unit into bigger one. Smaller unit to bigger unit. Okay, children? So the smaller unit of capacity will be, it is to convert milliliter to liter. Right? The smallest unit of the capacity is milliliter and the standard unit of capacity is liter. So here I am going to tell you how to convert milliliter to the liter. Then what to do? Let us take an example. Firstly, I want to recapitulate this thing. 1000 milliliter is equals 1 liter. Always remember that. And I will apply this relationship in conversion of milliliter into the liter. Right? Now here all of you see what to do. Let us take an example. For example, 5000 milliliter. What to do? 5000 milliliter. What to do? This is a tumbler. Tumbler represents the capacity because it is in the tumbler, and always remember the capacity is always used to measure the liquid. In case of measuring the liquid thing, we use measurement of capacity, right? How much area it is occupying. So 5000 milliliter, how we will convert it? Simple. The milliliter, in order to convert from milliliter to liter, what we have to do? This number of milliliter, that is 5000. So number of milliliter will be divided by 1000. Right? Why? Because 1000 milliliter equals 1 liter. Right? So here when I am dividing by 1000, it is also a property of division. Remember that whenever a number is divided by 10, 100, thousands and so on, the number of zeros of the divisor, there are 3 zeros. Now we take away the 3 zeros, same zeros of divisor is having 3 zeros. So we take away 3 zeros of the dividend. So remove it. So what is left? That is 5. And here the unit milliliter will be changed into liter. Similarly, let us take another example. 37,000 milliliter. How we will convert? the number of milliliter, that is 37,000. The number of milliliter, that is 37,000, will be divided by 1,000, right, milliliter. So here this 1000 is having 3 zeros, remove 3 zeros from this 37. Now what is left? This 37. So here the unit milliliter will be converted into liter. Correct, children? Now come to the question. 72,000 milliliter. What you will do? Remember that the number of this milliliter, that is 72,000, will be divided by what? The 72,000 will be divided by 1,000. Then according to the property of division, if the divisor is having the 3 zeros, count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3. Remove the number of zeros. 1, 2 and 3. What is left? Which number is left? It is 72. So here the unit will be changed from milliliter to the liter. So what you have observed, children, in these 3 type of operation, in the first, in the second, in the third, what I have done. So please look here. Notice here what I have done. I have done what I have done. So I divide the number of milliliter by 1,000 to convert milliliters into liters. So always I am repeating, whenever you are going to convert from milliliter to liter, remember that divide the number of milliliters by 1,000 to convert milliliter into liters. Now, let us take another example. So here all of you see. Let us convert 3972 milliliter. So 3972 milliliter. You have to convert it into what? Into liters. We have to convert into liter and milliliter. Liter and milliliter. So we have to convert it. What we will do? This 3972, I'll split it into 2 parts. Remember, you split this number, the 4-digit number of milliliter, in 2 parts. First part, remove the greatest place value number, that is 3000. Right? 3000 milliliter is separated, and then this 972, it will be removed away. Right? So in between 3000 milliliter and 972 milliliter, both are in the same unit, but I want liter. So which one will be easy to convert into liter? This 3000 milliliter. Then let us convert it. So the number of this milliliter, that is 3000, will be divided by 1000. Correct? So what we will get? Remove the 3 zeros of 1000, remove the 3 zeros of 0. We get 3 liter. Now this 3 liter, and then add along this 972 milliliter. In this way, we convert this 3972 milliliter into 3 liter 972 milliliter. Now children, let us start worksheet number 2, question number 1. So question is, convert the following into liters and milliliters. convert the following into liters and milliliters, children. So, for example, 9,000 milliliter. What we will do? So, I have told you that the number of milliliter. What is the number of milliliter here? 9,000. So, next what you will do? You will divide this 9,000 will be divided by 1,000. Now question comes. 9,000 milliliter will be divided by 1,000 milliliter. Why? The question is why? Why we divide 1,000 milliliter with the 9,000 milliliter? Because 1,000 milliliter equals 1 liter. Okay. So now let us do the division. In the properties of division, children, I have told you that whenever a number is divided by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So count the number of zeros in 100, 10, 100 and thousands. So here I am going to divide by 1000. 1000 is having how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So remove these 3 zeros from this dividend 9000. So I am starting from right to left. Start to remove 1, 2, 3. Now which number is left? This 9 is left. So the quotient is 9. And this 9 will get the unit liter. So here all of you see that 9,000 milliliter is converted into what? 9 liter. But how? Simple. The number of this milliliter is divided by 1000 milliliter. Why? Because 1000 milliliter equals 1 liter. So after division, according to the properties of division, if a number is divided by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So we count the number of zeros of the divisor and then we remove these 3 zero from the dividend. Then we get the quotient. Similarly, here 1000 is having how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So remove 3 zeros from right to left. So let's start to remove 1, 2 and 3. So after removing these 3 zeros, only 9 is left. So 9 is the quotient, children. So 9 will get the unit liter. Now let us take another example. So here, the example number 2. It is 7530 milliliter. 7530 milliliter. Now, this is having 4-digit number, right? So, split this number. For your convenience, split this number into 2 parts. So, how we will split? This is number 7530 is having 7000. So let's start from 7000. What is the place value of 7? 7000. So remove it. Okay, keep aside. Now this 530. So 7000 milliliter is splitted. Now this 530. I will keep it another side. So we get 2 numbers which is splitted from 7530. मैंने अलग किया है. 7000 को अलग किया and 530 को मैंने अलग किया. Remember that. Now here, look here. Which one we will be easier to convert the milliliter into liter? Yes, this 7000 that you have to convert this 7000 milliliter into liter. So this 7000 will be divided by 1000. Simple. So according to the properties, count the number of 0, 1, 2, 3. Properties of division. So we remove the 3 zeros from right to left. 1, 2 and 3. So what is left? It is 7. Now here this 7. After division 7 we get this milliliter will be changed into liter. Now we will along with this 7 liter I will take this 530 milliliter along with 7 liter. So write 530 milliliter. So here all of you see, children, the 7530 milliliter is converted into 7 liter 530 milliliter. So let us take another example. Now here, example is 74,000 milliliter. Now how we will convert it? So here all of you see, this is 74,000 milliliter, right? So 74, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we firstly remove this 3 digit 0, 0, 0 as a milliliter, right? And it is what it is? What is the value of this? It is 74,000, right? It is also milliliter, correct? Now this 74,000 will be, we have to change into liter. So divide this 74,000 by 1000. Now here, according to the property of division by 10, 100,000, we remove the 0 of this divisor. Count the number of zeros of divisor, 1, 2, 3. So we remove the zeros from the dividend 1, 2 and 3. So how much is left? It is 74 liter. And how many milliliter? 0, 0, 0 milliliter. Okay children, I think you understood it very well. Now children, remember that whenever you are going to convert this milliliter into liter and milliliter, you have to divide this number of milliliter. Always remember, the number of milliliter will be divided by 1000. The number of milliliter will be divided by 1000. Now according to the property of division, whenever a dividend is divided by 10, 100, 1000, then what we will do? We count the number of zeros of the divisor. And then we remove the zeros from the right to left of the dividend. So here 74,000 is divided by 1000. So 1000 is having 3 zeros. So we remove 3 zeros from the right to left. 1, 2, 3. So which number is left? It is 74 liter. And this 0 milliliter will be included in it. In this way, we convert the milliliters into liters and milliliter. Now, children, all of you look here. So, what is your assignment, children? So, always remember what I have done. Firstly, again I am repeating it, in order to convert the smaller unit to bigger unit, that is from milliliter to liter, what you will do? 7 milliliter. You have to convert it into liter. So into liter, in order to convert from milliliter to liter, so what we will do? For example, 7,000 milliliter, we have to convert it. So 7,000 milliliter, in order to convert it into liter, the number of milliliter, that is 7,000, will be divided by 1000, right? So when we divide any number by 1000, we count the number of zeros of the divisor and we remove these 3 zeros from the dividend. So here answer is 7 and the unit will change into liter. So in this way, in order to convert the milliliter to liter, we divide the number of milliliter by 1000. Why? Because 1000 milliliter is equals 1 liter. So children, I think you have understood. Your concept is clear. So today's assignment, you have to do question number 1, A, B, C and D as a C work. And H work is question number 1, E, F, G and H is your H work. Children, hope you have enjoyed my class. If you have any kind of queries and any problem, you can contact me in my WhatsApp number. So children, enjoy your day and also don't forget to learn, because knowledge makes a man perfect. So with this word, I am going to close today's class. Till then, goodbye, Shabak hai. Bye-bye.